So I had a sleep last night, and I decided to wait till the next morning to go into Sweden because there's 2 bridges. So that was the one through to Copenhagen, and this is the monumental moment. This is the bridge that goes into Sweden. Cruising along on the motorway. Little Miley's asleep. Bless him. And this is the bridge into Sweden, you can see ahead. So let's have this moment, is it? All of this travelling. Just for this moment. To go across this bridge into what is going to be my new home. Let's see if we can pick up some Swedish radio, is it? Sweden, that's Malmo in the distance, just about to go across the bridge. Hello Milo, you woken up? Milo, you woken up? We're live now. You must probably go back to sleep now. Look at you on the most comfortable seat in the house. Yeah? Time's 5:49 British, 6:49 Swedish. Got up at 5 o'clock this morning, which is 4 o'clock your time. Slept. Better to travel early to get through all of the worst bits. I can always sleep later this afternoon. I prefer it this way, there's less traffic on the road. In Sweden.
Ozark Mountain och Daredevil som är country girl. Vi tar väl 3 stycken.
Good morning, Miley. How's my little boy? Huh? Well, that's it then. I'm in Sweden. Officially in Sweden. Spent the night in Copenhagen last night. Ugh. Slept like a baby. Give me Milo. Can't wait to go home and I'll be in my bed tonight. Should be home and in the bed tonight, shouldn't we? Yes? Oh, you've been a good boy, haven't you? You've been a good boy? Yeah? Clever boy, you are. This is it. I'm in Sweden. Welcome to Sverige. Welcome to Sverige. Can't believe it. Anyway, get off. I gotta pay me toll. But, I'm in Sweden. This is the land. This Sweden. Right, I'm gonna crack on. I gotta go and pay my bill. Here we go. Well done me. Well done me.